How to install WzSabre plugin for Highway Radar. Go to rdforum.org/threads/104240/. I will leave a link in the description to the RD forum post. Once you get to the page for RD forum thread for the WzSabre plugin, scroll down. You'll see a link to the latest version. Click on that. It will ask if you want to download the file. I've already downloaded it before, but I'm downloading it again just for this video. Click open once the file is downloaded. You'll click on settings and allow permission to install unknown apps. Click install. Once the app is installed for the plugin, click done. Disable the permission again for installing unknown apps. And then you can exit out of the settings. You have now installed the WzSabre plugin. It will require you to go back to Highway Radar and you will now have the Sabre plugin installed. For that, just go to crowdsource alerts, and make sure you enable fetch crowdsource alerts using Sabre plugin. And if you have trouble with Sabre plugin not starting up normally, you can also scroll all the way down to advanced settings and use alternative Sabre startup method if you have issues with it. That is everything you need to do to install the Sabre plugin.